and welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this beautiful pie granny square out of a book I found at my local library. So here are the materials you're going to need today. Whatever color you want for the inside of your pie, I'm going to use red. And then you're going to need tan and white for the outside of your square. You're also going to need a 4.5mm crochet hook. Hi and welcome back to Simply Made by Hand. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. We're going to begin with our red yarn and make a magic circle. Chain 1 and make 6 single crochets into your magic circle. Pull your tail tight and slip stitch to your first stitch. Chain 1 and make 1 double crochet in that first stitch, and then over the next 5 stitches you're going to put 3 double crochets in each. Then you're going to make 2 double crochet in that last stitch, slip stitch to your first stitch and chain 1. Now we're going to make 1 double crochet in the first 3. Then you're going to make 2 in the next, 1 in the next. And you're going to repeat that all the way around. 2 in the next stitch, then 1 in the stitch after that. Slip stitch to your first stitch and chain 1. Put 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 2 in the next stitch, then 2 in the next stitch after that, 1 in your next stitch. This is your repeat. 2 in that first stitch, 2 in the next stitch, and 1 in the next stitch. Now you're going to put 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, 2 half double crochets in the next 2 stitches, then 1 half double crochet in the next 2. You're going to repeat that all the way around, and then when you will have 3 stitches left, you're going to make 1 half double crochet in the last 3. I cut off my red yarn and fastened off, and now I joined with my tan, and all you're going to do is make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and when you get back to the beginning, slip stitch to your first stitch. Stitches in this round are worked in the front loop only, so you're going to skip over the first stitch, work in the next, and make a single crochet. Skip 1 stitch, work into the next, and make 5 double crochets. Then you're going to repeat this all the way around. Skip one stitch, work into the next, and work a single crochet. Skip one stitch, work into the next, and make 5 double crochet. Repeat this till the end of your round, and then slip stitch to your first stitch. Go back and make sure you have 16 of these little shells for your pie. I fastened off with my tan, and now we are going to join with our white. Just make a slip knot on your hook, and we are going to join into the back loops here where we just worked into the front loop to make this last row round. So now we have these loops on the back of our work, and you can join to one of them. You're going to start by making a standing treble crochet in that first stitch. Then chain 2 and make another treble crochet into that same space. Make 1 treble crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2, 1 half double crochet in the next 2, 1 single crochet in the next 5, 1 half double in the next 2, 1 double crochet in the next 2, 1 treble crochet in the next stitch, another treble crochet in the next stitch, chain 2 and put another treble crochet in that stitch. Then you're going to make 1 treble crochet in the next. You're going to repeat these same steps all the way around. Rounds are going to be exactly the same. You're going to make 1 double crochet in every stitch, and when you get to your corners, make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. That's your repeat for 3 more rounds. Now we're going to make the strips for the top of your pie. So you're going to make a slip knot and chain 20. You're going to make a half double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook and in every chain down your row, and you're going to make 6 of these pieces and sew them on to the top of your pie however you want. I'm going to do them in a crisscross pattern so it looks more realistic. And this is your finished pie square. I did do a red border around the entire thing. I think it looks really nice. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.